These Halloween swirl cream cheese brownies have a rich layer of dark chocolate brownie topped with a layer of orange cheesecake, then swirled together for a spooky treat. These are sure to be a perfect dessert treat for everyone at your Halloween party. I used a brownie mix, vanilla extract, cream cheese, orange food coloring, sugar, and eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper and spray with nonstick spray and set aside. For the brownie layer, I mixed all of my ingredients as directed. For the cream cheese layer, I used 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once it was blended well, I added the orange food coloring. Add the brownie mix to the bottom and gently spread the cream cheese on top. Using a knife or skewer, gently swirl the mixture. Bake as directed. Remove and let cool completely before slicing. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.